Welcome, in front of me I have Realme C3 and today I'll show you how you can change notification bar icons. So at first we have to open notification bar and then click right here. And as you can see, we can easily adjust the icons. So if you want to get the location on the upper section of the list, click hold and then drag it right here. And of course, if you want to remove, you have to click hold and then drag it right here at the bottom. If you want to add additional icons, for example, the bedtime mode, click hold and pull it right here. So as you can see, it's very simple, and when you tap right here, we are also able to reset all of the settings. But if you want to save, just go back, and as you can see, it's saved the location we got right here and the bedtime right here. And of course, if you want to change it, reset, click and then just go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.